The cryptocurrency market is pumping right now. Ethereum leading the way, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly why and what's going on right now in crypto. Make sure you guys stick around until the end of the video. We're finally seeing Ethereum break out yet again, but will it be short-lived? We've seen this play out. Can it actually sustain this run? I want to see Ethereum get to 3,000 and beyond. There is a chance we can get up to 3,400 if we continue this breakout. We're going to take a look at a lot of different things, a lot of altcoins moving. The Ethereum ecosystem is a great place to be trading right now, and we're going to dive into all of that. You guys can trade with me over at BTCC and BITUNIX, both those exchange links down below. They've got leverage trading, spot trading on BITUNIX. A lot of people printing right now if you're playing the markets the right way. So let's get into it, guys. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. And there's one big news story that did come out that is definitely impacting the markets right now, and that is the Genius Act. This is the stablecoin bill, critical for the US dollar and the economy. We've been trying to push this thing across the finish line for a while now. And after numerous congressional debates and revisions, the Genius Act is now on the verge of becoming law. The bill, which aims to regulate the stablecoin industry across the United States, is widely expected to be signed by as early as tomorrow, Wednesday, June 11th. According to reps from Digital Chamber, the bill approval will likely come before the end of June. There is a chance it can be done again by tomorrow. Such a move would increase institutional adoption and strengthen the US dollar's dominance globally. And we're seeing a lot of volatility in crypto right now to the upside. And poised for passage, the Genius Act is a landmark bill that will federally regulate the US stablecoin industry. And according to Taylor Barr, the advocacy group's government affairs and PAC manager, 53 amendments have been made. However, Barr clarified that a fully open process with 53 individual debates is unlikely. He expects these amendments to be divided into 3 or 4 groups. If Barr's estimations are correct, the bill will pass before the end of the month. And when it does, the significance will be substantial for the greater crypto industry. Again, I did hear some rumblings that it could get passed tomorrow. Even if it doesn't, it looks like this thing is going to get passed very soon. And I think this is certainly playing out in a big way here in the cryptocurrency market. We also have a lot of other things going on. Trump meeting with China on tariffs. We're supposed to get some news perhaps in market open today within the next hour or so. So we'll be watching that. CPI data coming out tomorrow. And nonetheless, Ethereum is up over 8%, close to 9% up right now. We've got a ton of alts moving. Uniswap is over $8. We've been calling Uniswap since it was around 5 or 6, and this has continued to outperform. Again, these Ethereum ecosystem plays pumping very, very hard when Ethereum pumps. Aave, Uniswap, Lido DAO, Optimism and Arbitrum making moves. Athena, Hyperliquid here continues its crazy run, setting new all-time highs. But look at Pepe, right? It's outperforming. Ethereum name service, Floki, some of the top meme coins on ETH making their way here. And again, it's frustrating to not see Shiba Inu up here. You know, you see Pepe, you see Floki. Where is SHIB? Where is SHIB? Here's Ethereum. Where is SHIB? Where is SHIB in terms of gainers? It's baffling to me. It's way down here. It's underperforming Ethereum right now. So that is, again, something we've been watching play out. Dogecoin looks pretty good here at 19 cents if this continuation rally continues to play out. HBAR is another one that really hasn't popped yet that I really like. And guys, I'm giving you guys some free game here. SWI has started to move. Okay, we're looking at that, starting to make its move. There's a few others down in here that could be getting ready to pop. Solana's kind of underperforming at the moment, but it still could carry up to about 166 is my target there. We might get a little short-term volatility at market open just because we came up so much here before market open, which is about an hour from the time of recording this video. I'm recording this around 8:30 a.m. Eastern. But the cryptocurrency market is up and moving. We're going to take a look at some of the other big factors here in this video. Again, I did mention BTCC, guys. Great time to be trading your top assets and BITUNIX. Come on over, sign up. Great perks. We're running some unbelievable deposit bonuses over on BITUNIX. Great places to trade. Let's take a look at some of the smaller cap plays that are also making some moves. You know, Brett is another great way to get exposure to Ethereum. This is up 11% right now, 11 to 14%. We could see us making another run, I think, up to that $800, $900 million range. So that's looking really strong here. Brett, another great way to get exposure to ETH. Let's see here. What else are we looking at that really hasn't made a huge surge yet? There's quite a bit to like in here. Obviously, I've been talking about this low cap gem on Solana. Go Arlo continues to look really strong at 782K. You could still get in here below $1 million market cap. This is Go Arlo on Solana in the AI sector. I like this one as a small cap gem. What else do we got here? Let's see. Toshi's not up a lot. It's not really moving yet. I think Toshi on base could make a move eventually here and break out. But things are looking really, really nice. And again, a lot of great factors playing into all of this. Trump, China talks. You've got CPI data. You've got the Genius Act. And you've got Ethereum, which we're really, really watching closely here. Let's get into TradingView here. Let's take a look at ETH. And you guys can see here where we are on this weekly candle. Breaking out a little bit, turning up, trying to get back to, you know, that $3,400 level, somewhere right in here. Would not be shocked at all if we come up here at some point this week with these this amount of volume, you know, coming in. So Ethereum investment products drew nearly 300 million last week, leading crypto inflows for 7 weeks, totaling about 296 million monthly, over 1.7 billion year to date. ETH is finally getting some of that, you know, liquidity coming back into the markets, and we are not that far away really from making a run toward all-time highs. I know it doesn't feel like that. ETH's been lagging for so long, but it does feel like altcoin season. If it's not here, it's getting close, because we're seeing these type of runs from ETH. You know, every once in a while we'll see a big pop, but can it be sustained? That's the big question that we're, you know, looking at. Bitcoin dominance is still at 63%, guys. So there's still a lot of turnover that needs to happen from Bitcoin into Ethereum and then through the rest of the altcoin market. But short term, great opportunity to trade again. So definitely come over, check us out at BTCC and BITUNIX. I'm printing on Uniswap this morning, making some moves. Shout out to Blockchain Masons, who I listen to on X Spaces all the time, a great space. We have our space coming up here at 9:30. We do at 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern every single day. But yeah, I'm making some moves trading today. I think that's a great opportunity for these altcoins right now. You know, I don't think we're in this liquidity event where we're going to have a full-on altcoin season, but we're going to have altcoin pops. And during these altcoin pops, I want to take some profits off the table. I want to make some trades. And Bitcoin is right now, obviously, the long-term play. So that is why crypto is pumping. That's kind of what's going on around the markets. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. We'll see you guys in the next one.